Hey Rams, today we are going to go over subtracting integers. Our standard today is 6.3d, add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers fluently. And 6.3c, represent integer operations with concrete models and connect the actions with the model to standardized algorithms. All right, here we go, subtracting integers. What is the difference between 8 minus 15 and 15 minus 8? Well, the difference from 8 minus 15 is, well, if I had 8 apples and I owe you 15, that means I'm taking more than what I have away. So if I'm taking more than what I have away, I'm not going to have enough. If I owe you 15 apples, I only have 8, I don't have enough to give you. Okay, which would mean I still owe you 7. Okay, so now I have 15 minus 8. Well, 15 minus 8 difference is, so I have an amount, and I'm taking part of it away. Okay, so now if David owed his friend $8 and he had $15 and he gave his friend 8, he would have $7 left. Okay, here we go. Now we're getting into the subtracting integers. We never subtract integers. We add using the opposite of the second number. And we will clarify this in the classroom. So here we go. So I have 7 minus 19. So step one is to circle the operation. We will be circling the operation every time we do these. I'm going to circle the operation. I'm going to change the subtraction sign to addition. So I'm going to change that to addition. Step two, again, we have two step twos. We change the second number to its opposite. So we keep the first number the same, circle the operation, then we change the second number to its opposite. So I have positive 19. I need to change it to negative 19. So I'm going to have 7 plus negative 19, and then I'm going to solve using the rules for adding integers. So 7 plus negative 19 is going to give me negative 12. All right, good job, Rams. Let's go answer our questions. Okay, what does opposite mean? Well, we talked about opposites in class before. So opposite means two numbers that are the same distance from 0, but on opposite sides of the number line. All right. We have talked about that so much in our class. Okay, here we go. Last question on this page. Explain why for minus 9 is not the same thing as 9 minus 4. Well, when I have 4 minus 9, remember, I have taking more than what I have away. And then when I have 9 minus 4, I have an amount, and I'm taking part of it away. So I would have 4 plus negative 9, which is going to give me negative 5. I would still owe 5 apples. Here I have 9 minus 4, so I'd have $9, pay my friend back $4, and then I have $5 left. Okay, that is the difference. You get different values. Okay, let's go and do some practice problems. Remember, we keep the first number, we keep the first number the same, circle our operation, change it to a plus, and change the second number to its opposite. So I'm going to have negative 6 plus negative 11. And there is my rewrite as addition problem. Now I'm going to have negative 6 plus negative 11, which gives me negative 17. Good job, Rams. All right, the second one, remember, I keep the first number the same. So I'm going to rewrite my 4, circle my operation, change it to a plus, change the second number to its opposite. So I end up with 4 plus 13, and 4 plus 13 equals 17. Good job. All right, here we go. Now let's rewrite it again. I have 8, and then I'm going to circle the subtraction sign. Good job. Make it a plus, and then change the second number to its opposite. So I have 8 plus negative 17, which I could also rewrite as 17 minus 8, which gives me 9. And then I had 17 as my negative, so I will get negative 9. And that is my answer because 8 was positive. I just rewrote it as a subtraction problem, is what I did here. And then I just carried over the negative because I had a negative 17. All right, negative 15 minus negative 9. So I'm going to keep the first number the same, change my operation to addition, change it to addition, and then second number's opposite, change it to its opposite, which is negative 15 plus 9, and follow my adding integer rules. So I'm going to get negative 6. So I'm going to rewrite that too right here, and that is my answer. Good job, Rams. All right, last one. So I'm going to have negative 12 because I keep the first number the same. Circle the operation, turn it into a plus, change the second number to its opposite, so I get negative 12 plus 12. Now, what do I have when I take a number and I'm subtracting it by its opposite or adding it to its opposite? Remember, I get 0. So negative 12 plus 12 is 0. Good job, Rams. Okay, our question. What do you think are the most common errors in subtracting integers? I can think of many. It could be forgetting to change the second number to its opposite, or maybe not following the adding integer rules correctly. We have to make sure we are practicing those. Rules correctly. There are a lot of steps to remember here, guys. Also, we can forget to keep the first number the same. Okay. So there's about 3 reasons why are common errors. Now I want you to put what you think may be common errors for subtracting integers. And then go in and write your summary about what you learned from this lesson or what questions you may still have, and we will definitely cover those in class. All right. Have a good day, Rain.